Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today I'm unboxing my Ricky's Cult Crushes box for January of 2018. So currently I'm covering this up so you can't see my address, but this is the Ricky Cult Crushes box, and Ricky's NYC is actually, I believe, a beauty supplier place out of New York, and they have a website with a ton of beauty stuff on it, and they also do the subscription box, which is Ricky's Cult Crushes, and I believe they are curated by beauty people occasionally, so they reached out to me recently and they're like, hey, do you want to try this box? And I was like, yeah, sure, I'll look at it. This is not a paid video, it's not sponsored at all. They just sent me the box to unbox, see if you guys liked it, and if you guys do, then maybe I'll do it some more. We'll see, we'll see. This is an $11 box, so it's kind of comparable to Ipsy, Birchbox, Sephora Play. If you're looking for another $10-ish box, then this might be something you want to look at. So guys, if you're interested in seeing this box, seeing the link to the website and everything, I'll have that in the description box down below, but that's not an affiliate link, it's just the legit link. I don't know where my scissors went to. That's a bad sign. This is what the box looks like on the inside. It kind of seems like a less confettied BoxyCharm, if you know what I mean. Like, it has this similar black confetti type thing in there. And it is packed pretty full of stuff, so I'm pretty excited about this. It comes with a card, which does have the products that are in the box. I'm not going to look at that quite yet because I want to be a little bit surprised. The first thing I'm seeing in here is this Ricky Care dual-ended blending perfector. So this is a blender on one end and a brush on the other end. That is pretty cool. I haven't had a whole lot of luck with the blender-ended stick things, but I'm still excited to try it out. Can't get the packaging open though. Oh yeah, guys, and if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. My name is Cassie. It's nice to meet you, and I'd love for you to become friends with me on the internet. So scroll down below and hit that red subscribe button. And also, you guys, if you entered my 10,000 subscriber giveaway, it is over now. It ended, but I will be announcing the winners hopefully on Monday. It's kind of a little bit dependent on when people get back to me. By the time I'm posting this, you all should have heard from me, so we should be good to go. We'll see. I don't know who won yet though. I'm excited to know who won. I'm having major problems getting this out of the box. So this is what that looks like. The powder brush on this end actually feels pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with that. It's soft and plush and pretty full, so I think that's good. The other end of this, it feels like a Real Technique Miracle Complexion Sponge, so I'll have to see how it does, if I can get it wet and it'll get bigger like that, and you know, I feel like these are going to be really hard to clean. I think that's going to be my issue, is figuring out how to clean this sponge. We'll have to see how that goes, but overall I think this is a cool thing and it's definitely fun to get. Definitely a good worth in the box to have like a full-size brush, even if it was just the one end. But we got two ends, so that's like twice as cool. There are not prices on here, but it says the Ricky Care dual-ended blending perfector combines two cosmetic application essentials into one convenient tool. Use the purple sponge for liquids and creams and the brush for powders to create the perfect look. I think that's a very cool concept. I'll have to see how it works. If you guys want to see a review of this / first impression or demo, let me know, because I think this is a really cool concept. Oh, and also on the card it says don't forget to shop rickysnyc.com and get 25% off all orders. So that is really cool. It comes with a coupon code for you to use on their website so you can order more stuff and have more makeup, and that's always a good thing to me. I like getting stuff on sale, and 25% is a really good discount. The next thing I'm seeing in here is a Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Tropica Dry Shampoo. I love getting dry shampoos. I use them all the time. I used one this morning, and I just think that they're really great so that you don't have to wash your hair every day. You know, you can go a little bit longer between washes and still look not greasy and gross. And I think I've heard decent ones about this one. I haven't heard a whole lot about the Not Your Mother's dry shampoos, but I know that this brand is typically really good, so I'm pretty excited about that. And it's a pretty decent size. It's not like tiny or anything. The next thing I'm seeing in here is a Kors lip butter in pomegranate. Oh, it's a slidey thing. So it looks like it's a pretty decent size, assuming this is full. It's 0.21 ounces, so I think that is a pretty good size. It's always fun to get a moisturizing lip product in your box. My lips tend to get really dry, especially in the winter, So I am happy to be getting that. That's definitely something I'll use. The next thing I have in here is a sheet mask with activated charcoal. It's by Jean-Pierre Cosmetics. So this is a deep cleansing mask. I really do like getting masks in boxes. I feel like that's a really good value because these can at least go for a few bucks, if not more. And they're not something that I'll typically buy for myself, so I really do like getting them in boxes because it does force me to take a little bit better care of my skin. So that is really fun to get. I'm excited about that. And the last thing I have in this box is this little sample of the Scandinavia Post Makeup Recovery Spray. I actually have tried this out before. I have a whole video on it of kind of like my first impressions of it and everything, so I'll link that down below. I haven't done a full review yet. If you guys want to see a full review of this, let me know because I can do that. But I really do like the brand of Scandinavia, and this is a really nice sample size as far as a setting spray goes. It's not gigantic, but it's definitely enough to be able to try it out and know what you think of it, so that's a really fun thing to get. So looking at everything I got, it's all stuff that I like, and it's definitely worth more than $11. So I would say this would definitely give Ipsy a run for its money. So if you guys want to keep seeing this box, then please let me know in the comments down below, and make sure you like this video so I know that you want me to keep doing this box. But this is my first time ever unboxing this box, and I have to say it's one of the better $10 boxes that I've seen. It has pretty big sample size, it has a full-size product, 2 full-size products in there. So I think that is a very good value in a $10, $11 box. So I'm pretty excited about it so far. I hope you guys like it because I kind of want to keep doing these unboxings. And if you're new here, make sure you scroll down and hit that red subscribe button down below. That's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!